Hey guys, Emilio from Aurora Middle School here. I'm going to be showing you how to do hand equations, but first I gotta show you what all of these mean. First, this means x. This means the opposite of x. This is a positive, and this is a negative. Don't get confused. Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to do this math problem right here. X plus 10 equals 3x plus 2. Alright, so here we got the problem. I'm going to show you a legal move here. Take away an x from each side. Now we're left with 10 plus 2x. 10 equals 2x plus 2. Now we're going to take away 2 from 10, and we're going to take 2 from here, making this an 8. And we're left with 8 equals 2x. X equals 4. Alright guys, the next problem I shall be showing you is negative 10 plus x equals opposite of 3x plus 2. Alright, now this is how we're going to be doing the problem. See, we gotta take this away from here, okay? So we're going to add a negative 2 to both sides, making this a pair of 0, and we can just throw that away, leaving 12 here. Now we gotta take this blue away from this side. So we're gonna add opposite of x to both sides, and now we have a pair of 0 here. Throw that away, and we're left with the final answer of opposite of x equals, I can't think of it, equals 30. And x no. Alright, the opposite of x equals negative 3, and x equals positive 3. Alright, now for the final problem, I'm going to be showing you 5 plus x plus opposite of x equals 3x plus negative opposite of 2x plus 1. Now here's the problem. First we're going to do this. We're going to take 1 away from each side, and now we're going to be ended up like this. We're going to take this, since this is a pair of 0, I can take this away, and then we're left with 5 equals positive equals 3x plus negative 1. Now we're going to remove this. So I'm going to put this here, add a positive 1 to both sides, take this away, and we're left with 6 now, and then x equals 2. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe, and come back for some more videos.